Okay, it's getting really dark. Here's the before pic of the stump. Not as big as my hand. About 20 minutes in, it's basically done. So we're about 25 minutes into it, and we are burnt well below ground level. Didn't even take a half hour to burn that one out. Bro, I'm here to tell you, this thing ain't no joke. It ain't no joke, man. So we burnt that stump out of the ground in under a half hour. It was like 25 minutes, I think. And it was about an 8-inch, maybe a little under, about the size of my hand. And performed phenomenal, just the way I want it to. It's not easy to get a siphon nozzle to run 50,000 watts with the reservoir sitting at ground level like that, or even having the torch up higher than the ground or than the reservoir. It's not easy to do. Got a little bit of residue build up there. Got about 2 hours of runtime on this thing, and I am very impressed. This is better than the Dragon in my opinion. This is outperforming the Dragon. The Dragon blows out in the wind fairly easily sometimes. I've noticed that. This thing was operating in gale force winds today. So fantastic. The only problem is it's going to cost me about 50 bucks to build this stand. I'm going to try and sell these things for 200 bucks on my website and just through people who want to email me from this video. I'll leave a link in the description for my email and the website. But yeah, dude, this thing totally works. It is definitely a tool that can get a job done. Could you imagine if you got 10 or 15 of those kind of stumps like that? You don't want to tear up your chainsaw. Some of those tree stumps I burnt out of that fence area had chain link fence impregnated in them, and you couldn't use a chainsaw. That's what inspired the whole concept of an oil burner stump remover from the get-go, was that you could not chainsaw them out. And I wasn't going to pay $75 a piece. That's what about the minimum price is to get a stump removed from your yard. You can buy the $5 Spectra stuff, but I think that takes like weeks and weeks. This gets the job done in a day, man. Half hour.